Dude, how are you pulling this off? New bungalow, new car. We both work in the same company and have similar salaries, but I'm barely managing rent and bills. How are you able to achieve this all? It's really easy if you manage your money well. Let me tell you what I do. Each month before I spend, I invest a part of my income in mutual funds. That's the only rule I have followed for years. But investing sounds risky and confusing. I wouldn't know where to begin. That's what I thought too, until I spoke to a mutual fund distributor. They understood my income, my financial situation, and suggested a strategy that actually made sense. So you don't need some big amount to start? Not at all. I began small. In investing, start early, consistency and staying invested for the long term is the key. I see. You achieved your needs on time because you started investing early. Yes, it's not too late for you either. If you want to fulfill your financial needs, take the guidance of the mutual fund distributor and start as early as today.